2023, trusting us as his financial partner as he continues to train and compete at the highest levels of his sport. Through East West Priority Banking, we've been able to provide him with the tailored financial services he needs to support his incredible journey. While his path to success began long ago, we are proud to stand beside him at this pivotal stage of his career, one marked by hard work, resilience, and a relentless commitment to excellence. His story is truly inspiring. It shows us that with dedication, perseverance, and the right support, any dream can be a reality. Your dreams are focused. And now, it is my great honor to introduce our latest brand ambassador, a two-time Olympic gold medalist whose passion and determination continues to inspire us all. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming someone who represents the very best of what East West stand for.
15 years ago, a dream propelled a young boy above ground. From that moment on, he began his ascent to higher altitudes, anchored his footing, perfected his balance, and built his strength, step by step, to grander stages. Even in moments of stumbles and falls, his resolve to get back on his feet was unshakable. His eyes on the summit, feet rooted firmly on the earth, he soared in his most graceful form, confident in every movement, and relentless in his pursuit of greatness. And when he finally landed on the golden summit, his gaze remains fixed on the extraordinary. And now, in this very moment, this young champion prepares to embark once again. And with East West as his banking partner, since his small beginnings, he's all set to continue on towards his bigger dreams. Hand in hand, a partnership that will strengthen his financial wellness to reach more milestones, pushing himself to even greater heights, far beyond goal.
Welcome po sa East West Game Show. Pasensya na po kayo, wala ako. First time ko po mag-host. Pasensya na po talaga. Okay, mag-Instagram po ako. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang po na magpasalamat kay Lord na safe tayong lahat na nakarating dito, and gusto ko magpasalamat po sa support ang binibigay niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa East-West Executive Management Team for this opportunity, and sa lahat ng media na nandito ngayon. Sobrang honored po ako to be standing here in front of you. Not just as representative of Philippine sports, but now as an official ambassador of East-West Bank. Sobrang excited po ako to be with all of you today for this special event with East-West. Nakakatuwa lang po kasi mas matanda lang po ng ilang taon sa akin ng East-West na 30 years na ngayon. Samantalang ako ay 24 pa lang. Kaya piling ko mas malapit ang connection ko sa values and principles ng bank na to. Siguro maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung paano nagsimula po lahat talaga to. Paano siya nangyari? Bakit East-West ko? Naging part ako ng East-West family when I became a client in 2023. And from day one po, hindi ko naramdaman na isa lang ako sa madaming customers nila. As an athlete, halos lahat po talaga ng oras ko napupunta sa ensayo. And kailangan ko po talagang mag-focus kasi nalalapit na nga po talaga yung multiplex and lahat po ng time, preparation, dun po talaga napupunta. And bilang naging member po ng East-West, hindi ko po naisip na mahihirapan ako sa ma-secure yung money ko. And habang nag-compete, habang nag-training camps, hindi ko talaga siya naiisip, hindi ako nai-stress, hindi ako wala talaga, super smooth talaga ng naging journey ko with East-West. Isa pa rin po sa mga rason kung bakit natural ang partnership na ito is because nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa East-West. Pareho kami naniniwala sa pushing limits, constantly striving to be better, and never settling for just good enough. Sa gymnastics, bawat galaw at bawat routine is about reaching new heights. At nakita ko na si East-West ay ganun din sa banking. Lagi silang nag-i-innovate to serve their clients better. At yun po ang dahilan kung bakit sobrang proud ako to represent them. People want to inspire people to dream big and work hard. It's about showing that no matter where you start, you can always go further. To everyone here today, especially the younger generation, I want to say, don't wait to take control of your future. Whether you're aiming for a gold medal or financial security, it's always better to start early. With East-West, natutunan ko kung paano mag-plan ng maayos para sa financial future ko. As I continue my journey in life in gymnastics, knowing that East-West is behind me gives me so much confidence. Not just in my sport, but sa buhay ko rin. To East-West, maraming salamat po ulit sa opportunity na ito. I'm honored to officially be part of the East-West family, and I'm looking forward to what we can accomplish together. And to everyone here today, dream big, work hard, and of course, bank strong. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Carlos Yulo! Carlos, can you join me here for a little bit? Dito muna tayo ng konti. Parang pwede na ako mag-retire kung na lang yung mag-host for the rest of the night. No, you did a great job and congratulations again. I think we can now take our seats para makapahinga ka ng konti. Okay, so I just have to say, I mean, I know everyone here would love to congratulate you as well, but I just have to say, on behalf of everyone here tonight, congratulations again on making history. You know, I think that the many times, the 2 times that you received your gold medal, I think we were all just beaming with pride, and we were just so happy with you, and we were so happy for you. So, first Filipino po natin to be a 2-time Olympic gold medalist. Again, we're so proud of you, and we're so happy to have you here. Palakpakan naman po natin muli. Okay. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Yes.
Yes. Baka gusto mo muna mag-stretch ng konti, tapos mag-flip ng konti para mag-loosen up ka ng konti.
Bulol na.
Hindi. You know, katulad ng sinabi nila Sir Jerry earlier, it's all about the performance, and I think, and also the intent. And alam na